5.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will unbox our mask. Ay, baliktad. Baliktad, girl. Let's get scissors. Let's open it. Yun. Di na baliktad. In the box, you will see naka-ziplock yung items. Inside the box is, inside the ziplock, you will see the Coppermask antibacterial film 2.0. And it has 2 holes. That's the ear, para sa earlobes. And then you have 10 pieces non-woven fabric filters. 5 white and 5 green. And then you have stickers and seal stickers also. You also have the elastic string para sa ears. And of course, the manual. Basa-basa. Basa mabuti, girl. Okay, got it. Let's do this. We need the seal sticker. 1 seal sticker. Make sure to put it properly. Stick it properly, I mean. Yan, ayusin mo, girl. Very good. Ta-da! Next, we will stick the other end. Seal sticker again. Concentration. Yun. Yan. Good job. Next, we'll put the non-woven filter fabric. We will use green para twinning ni Daddy Beb. And then we'll put the elastic string. Ay, baliktad. Yun. You can adjust it by pulling holding the button and then pulling. Yan, tapos na. We'll design our mask with the stickers. Daddy Beb's mask is green also, and I put green stickers. For my mask, we will put black. Ay, green na lang. We'll put it in different angle para ma-identify naman ni Daddy Beb which one is our mask. Di may magbaylo-baylo. Yan. My mask, my style. Yun. 2 green Coppermask at the bottom. Yan. Di ko siya klaro. So we will put another sticker here. we will use black sticker. This is my own style, so yun, black and green. Okay, all done. That's Daddy Beb's mask. It has a green sticker on the upper part. Mine has two stickers, black and green. Coppermask. So that's it for our video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.